We begin this hour with breaking news from Detroit's west side, where police are investigating a deadly shooting at a gas station. One man was killed, another in the hospital. Our Nima Shafee is live at the scene with the very latest. And happening today, a former teacher at Bishop Foley High School in Madison Heights will be sentenced. Catherine Ronk made a deal by pleading guilty to third-degree sexual conduct after it was discovered that she had had sex with a 15-year-old student. Ronk is also accused of having sex with a boy in Shelby Township and Sterling Heights. Unless another deal is made, she faces trial on those charges later this month. And the Sex Education Advisory Board for Farmington Public Schools is considering making some changes to its curriculum. They plan to give their recommendation to the Board of Education tonight at the district's board meeting. Then 2 public hearings will be held for parents and community members to ask questions and voice their opinions. The hearings are happening tomorrow at 6 p.m. and then next Monday at 1 p.m. Both will be held at the Maxfield Education Center on 10 Mile. And well, of course, today is St. Patrick's Day, and we all hope that you have great plans and safe plans. That's right, celebrations are kicking off very early this morning at several bars and restaurants across the area, and that includes the Old Shillelagh downtown Detroit.